Hi everybody. Uh, we will learn today how to draw an eyes, and first you will take a canvas in file menu and new documents, and you will take 5 by 5. I will take 5 by 5 because but you can change it in this size also too, and 300 pixels, 300 resolutions pixels, and create a canvas. This called a canvas and white background. You will take a white background, and I drawn a eyes in pencil in paper, and you will take in drag and drop here also, and enter and lock ears also, and create a new layers here. Okay, and you take from brush the from here in tools menu. This is first brush tools. Okay, and you can change its size from here also, and brush styles also do these layers. Okay, different types of brushes here and also to you take brush sizes also, and brush styles you can change it from here also. Cutting, texturing, dual brush pause, shape also changes you can, and paint patience also. Here also pen tool. If you have a pen tablet, you can use pen pressures. Okay, and smoothing and changes here from to check. This is pen pressures. You can size also changes from here. Do 6, 50, 20, 17. Okay, you can size also changes. Okay, we will start the draw. First zoom and start the drawing from here. You can control Z from window. This is depend on the pressures. Suppose you draw new, you can also do new layers in new objects also to control Z. You can change the smoothing pressure also 100, so your line is very smooth. Okay, and okay, and this is eyelashes. We can try eyelashes, and the size is very small. Okay, some eyelashes here also. This angle also, and these types also eyelashes. Small, long, small also randomly. And last is very here also eyelashes too. These types of eyelashes you can draw, and very small, thin lines. You brush strokes also do. You set the eye strokes. Okay, and let's see check here also. Yes. And let's check the hide the main pictures. You can see the eye. Okay, and thank you very much for seeing my video.